In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages on Adobe Acrobat. If you're cleaning up a PDF and need to remove a page you no longer want, Adobe Acrobat makes the process very straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you're working on is already open on your screen. This is important because you need to be inside the document before you can access the page management tools. Once your file is open, take a quick look through the document so you know which page you want to remove. That can help you avoid deleting the wrong one, especially if your PDF has several similar looking pages. Next, move your attention to the right-hand side of the Acrobat window. You'll see a vertical menu with several icons. In that menu, click the icon that looks like 4 small squares. This opens the page view where you can see page thumbnails for your document. This thumbnail view is useful because it gives you a visual overview of the PDF, making it much easier to find the exact page you want to delete. Once the thumbnails are visible, locate the page you want to remove. On that page, click the trash icon. This is the delete option for that specific page. Take a second here to make sure you've selected the correct page before continuing. Deleting the wrong page can interrupt the order of your document, so it's always worth double checking. After you click the trash icon, Adobe Acrobat will ask you to confirm the action. Go ahead and click delete to confirm. This final confirmation step is there to prevent accidental changes, which is especially helpful when you're editing an important file. And that's it. The page will be removed from your PDF. As a helpful tip, after deleting a page, quickly review the remaining pages to make sure the document still flows correctly. If everything looks good, remember to save your PDF so the change is kept. If you close the file without saving, the deleted page may still appear the next time you open it. That's the full process for deleting pages in Adobe Acrobat. Once you know where the page thumbnails and trash icon are, it becomes a quick and simple task anytime you need to tidy up a PDF.